Welcome to the Chalkboard Arcade tutorial video. This short video will show you what you need to know to play so you're having maximum fun. If you like a challenge, you found the right game. To start the game, tap the play button. This is the level chooser screen. It tells you the level name and number, shows you the grade guide, and your best score and grade if you've ever played the level before. It allows you to choose which level you want to play. Note that you don't have to play levels in order. Skip around. Go from level 1 to level 38 to level 24. The freedom is yours. Play levels over and over again to get your best score possible. Remember, A's are for winners. When you get a solid A on a level, you'll be awarded a gold star. And gold stars are for ultra winners. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to choose level 7 by tapping on it, which is called Crossroads 3. Tap the play button to start the level. The level starts, and immediately the action begins. Your job is to tap on the bouncers as they fly across the chalkboard. Tapping a bouncer takes the letter from the bouncer and places it down on the corkboard, which you can then use to spell out words for points. When you get enough letters to form words, at any point you can tap on the letters you want on the corkboard to spell a word, and they will appear in the word submission bar. Once you've spelled out your chosen word, click the green check mark to submit the word for points. Spelling is important. If you submit a misspelled word, the letters you submitted will no longer be available, so be sure your word is spelled correctly before you submit it. You can tap the red X to clear all of the letters from the word submission bar and send them back onto the corkboard. Note that if you don't have enough free slots on the corkboard and you clear the word submission bar using the red X, those letters have nowhere to go and are lost for good. You can also just tap on the word you are spelling and one letter at a time will return to the corkboard. Notice there are only a fixed number of available slots for letters on the corkboard. If the corkboard fills up, any bouncers you tap on the chalkboard will just disappear, so be sure to build and submit words as you play. Watch out for the bomb bouncers. They are red in color and you definitely want to tap on them to disarm them. If a bomb ends up hitting a bumper, which are any borders in the level, then the explosion may knock letters off of the corkboard. This is really inconvenient if it happens, because you need those letters to form words to earn points. It is important to disarm the bombs before they hit a bumper, so do not avoid them. If you see a green stopwatch bouncer, that can be used to freeze time for several seconds. While the round is frozen, this is a great time to spell out and submit as many words as you can. During the time freeze, a button at the top called Hints will appear. Use this if you are stuck and can't find any words. Once the bouncers run out, the round will come to an end, and you will have 10 more seconds to submit any final words for points. If you choose to, you can watch a short advertisement to get more bouncers to keep playing. This is handy if you're really close to that next letter grade, because it gives you an opportunity to build a few more words for points. If you're done with this level and don't want to wait for the timer to finish, you can just hit the End Now button. After reviewing your score, simply press the Tap to Finish button to return to the level chooser screen to play another level, or replay this one to try and get a better score. We also offer an in-app store, where you can optionally purchase benefits such as additional hints, a longer stopwatch, a longer end-of-game timer, and reduction in the number of bombs that spawn on each level. You can reach the in-game store by first tapping the gear icon at the top, and then the Visit the Store button. Note that you do not need to purchase anything to play or win this game. Purchases are totally optional. On the settings screen, you can choose your music from the available selections, as well as controlling the volume level of the music and sound effects within the game. Since many people like to play games without any sound at all, you can also mute all sounds and music on the settings screen by tapping the checkboxes to the right of the volume controls. That's it. That's how you play Chalkboard Arcade. Thanks for watching and enjoy playing the game.